Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About negative 5s squared, we can change by 6s squared plus s squared. This one we can change by negative 3s plus s. This one we can change by 12s squared minus s squared. This one that is about 3s plus s. So we can do about factorization by 2s squared. This one by s. This one by 4s squared. This one by negative s. Now we can do about factorization by s minus number 3. Similar for the second one. Now we can simplify s minus number 3. Now we can put number 3 going here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. And we have 11 over 17. This is the end. Thank you for watching.